We are all visitors to this time, this place. We are just passing through.
It was one of those days.
My name is Pablo, Juan Carlos, Alejandro, González, María Lucia, Mendoza, Macarena, Chipotle, Tapatio, con queso, guacamole, Ferreira, Santiago, Rodriguez, but everybody calls me Bobby.
Yesterday was really heavy rains, so lots of rain. Today, sunshine. Last time, the bottom part of this stone. Today I'm gonna close this all around the stone. If I see the water is going inside, what I do first, but here all the water is going out. Too big. Yes. The winner. Nice. Finding the right stone, it took me 20 minutes. I brought some options. Let's see. But if I will do a mistake and I put a big stone, it will get stuck. It will be very hard for me to take it out. And I cannot reach as deep as I want. Try this one. Let me find a lot of thin stones and I'm coming back. So between every stone, I put a little bit cement. Basically the cement is our glue. We want stone, cement and then stone. Still have like 2 more hours left. Let's see what is the next project for today. Oh yeah, we did it. So, finish with that part. I still have 2 hours, like I told you. I'm gonna walk on those stones. You see, all those stones are moving together. This. Be a big job. Not a job for 2 hours, but I will start it. Let's start. This stone is moving, you see, both of them. But this is also moving. So, fucking house. Fuck it, we have to take a chance. Yeah. I should put my gloves on. How the wall is built, basically. We have the big stones in the front and some big stones in the back. In between there is small stones and clay and shit. So every time I take something falls from the top and it's very scary. And also from the side. Let me take the stones, step down now and I show you how big it is. Sure, I won't be able to close it today. I'm going to walk soon. Voila! It's big. Okay. So you see, big stone, but in between it looks like that. I can take off this and more, but it will be no end to it. So sometimes you also need to know when to stop and say, okay, this is enough. I don't want to take all the wall out, and also very important, I don't want to make the wall unstable. It's already not so stable, so I don't want to make it even more. So I'm going to wash it with water. We'll see where the water are going. And we start with the liquid cement, with the liquid mix. For sure, I'm not going to finish it today. Yeah, I have like 1 hour and a half. But I do the liquid, maybe I do the first layer, first bucket just to close some holes. I will need a lot of fucking materials here. My God, it's huge. Okay. If I put my mind of all this wall that I need to do, it will put me down in a second. This is why I have small goals in my mind. When I finish this hole, I'm done. The liquid cement is ready. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna pour the liquid cement to this hole. Then I'm gonna make a bucket with gravel with a lot of stones to close all this and make a nice base and platform for next time. I have the liquid cement here. Well, obviously I don't need the funnel now. Yeah, everything is open. I do need a stick to make sure the cement is going down to the hole. I'm doing it like a slide. I need a tile. filled those 2 holes. It wasn't that deep like I thought. I want to use all the bucket inside, and then I place some stones. Good, so we have here the full bucket. Stones that came out from here. Whoa, yeah, let's go. Yeah, look how the cement went down. I guess I'll open another hole here. It's good. Okay, I'm gonna make another bucket now with gravel, and we do another layer, if you agree. We're going inside now. The bucket ready. We're gonna close this side now. We're not gonna close, but we're gonna reinforce it. But first I wanna get it wet again, even though I did it before, but it's been a while. From the back, actually.
If you think I'm flirting with you, I'm not. I'm just being friendly. If you think I'm weird and make you uncomfortable, yeah, then I am probably flirting with you. Sorry.
I just found out that if you want to date somebody, you need to talk to them.